Prepare glue gun, cloth, gloves, wrenches, knives, silicone, marker pens, tape measure, pressing tool, guide rail, fixture, matching bolts, nuts, washers. Step 1. Install the color steel tile fixture. Step 2. Install the adhesive crossbeam guide rail. Install the remaining guide rails according to the requirements of the installation manual. Clean the dust, rainwater, oil stains, etc. on the guide rail. Mark the areas that need to be glued on the guide rail. Apply silicone according to the marked position. Mark the location where the module needs to be installed, or pull the positioning rope on the outside for positioning. Place the module on the guide rail according to the installation markings. Be careful not to stick silicone on the cable box and cables. Use a pressing tool to press and secure the adhesive. Connect the wire box terminals before installing the second component. Install detachable guide rails on the first floor beam. The upper guide rail is laid on the lower guide rail. Clean the track. Apply silicone gel. Install module. Install the second component. Loosen the fixing bolts. Lift the module upwards and remove it along with the adhesive upper track. Remove the lower guide rail assembly.